Hey guys, it's Eliza and I'm back with another video. I am going to be doing my nails for Valentine's Day. I've been waiting to do this all month and I can't believe I'm barely starting right now. But right now I am just trying to mix two pink nail polishes. Just trying to mix them just so I can find like the right shade that's perfect, that's like close enough to the inspo that I wanted. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just gonna test it out on one of my nails to see if I like it. I didn't really like how it looked because I feel like it was a little too like nudish, like pink, like, you know, just not that pink. So I actually just ended up going with one of the nail polishes that was more pink. So here I'm just wiping it off and then I'm just applying the pink nail polish that I actually wanted to use.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. All the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on that.
Alright guys, so right now I just finished applying the pink French tip on my nails. So now I am just going to be cleaning my brushes and preparing them to add the red detailing. So right now I'm just adding the red line on my French tip, and then later on I'm going to be doing some little hearts all over the French tip as well.
Nothing or no one. So why would you show up uninvited? Just changed my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you.
Alright guys, so I wasn't able to really show how I did the hearts because my bagel head was in the way. So I basically just used like the little ballpoint pen and I just made two dots next to each other, and I'm just using this little detailing brush just to brush the paint together to form the heart shape.
I don't need you, but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I slow down. Everybody's like he's no item, please don't like him, he don't wife him, he more nice him. I never listen though, I should've figured though, all the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it, 'cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Damn baby, my mind's blown. We forget you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we can build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed.
Alright guys, so these are the finished nails. They came out super cute. So I'm just going to quickly go over them with some top coats. And yeah, I'll try to have all of the products that I've used linked down below. I got all my products from either Shein or Amazon.
Once you got all that you wanted, nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want
these are how my nails came out. Really shiny and really cute for Valentine's Day. I am just going to go ahead and do my right hand, and I will show you guys how my full set of nails look. Alright guys, so this is how my nails came out. This is how my right hand looks like, and then this is my left hand. I ended up adding 2 bows because I don't know, I feel like they were just missing something, and I initially wasn't gonna add any charms, but then I was like, you know what, let me just add a couple. Let me know if you guys want me to do like any other type of nail designs. But yeah, so these are my Valentine's Day nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.